Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable Type to Siri on Macbook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Similar to text input for Siri on iPhone, you can also use Type to Siri on Mac. On my previous video, I've shown you how to turn on Type to Siri on your MacBook. But now, what if you want to turn off this feature? You want to Siri to hear your voice again? It's so simple. So here's, as you can see, my Type to Siri is still active. You can turn off by open your system preferences. Now you can go to accessibility, click on accessibility. Here's, as you can see, for Siri, you can just click on Siri. Now you can see here's for enable Type to Siri is active. You can disable by just click on the checklist on here. So now let's check on your Siri. Now when you click on your Siri, Siri can hear your voice like this. So simple, right? So that is how to disable Type to Siri on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.